The OPPO Reno15 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of the year, especially for people who want flagship-level features without paying a premium flagship price. After making a strong impact in China, OPPO is now preparing for its global rollout, including a highly anticipated launch in India. This phone is clearly designed with creators, students, professionals, and everyday users in mind. It brings a powerful processor, a massive 200MP camera system, premium durability, fast charging, and long-term performance promises, all packed into a price that remains under the $600 mark. So today, let's break everything down in detail: the performance, the camera, the design, the battery, expected price, and most importantly, who this phone is really for. Why the OPPO Reno15 Pro is getting so much attention. The Reno series has always focused on a balance between style, performance, and camera quality. But with the Reno15 Pro, OPPO is pushing harder than ever before. This device is aimed directly at content creators, students, office professionals, vloggers, and middle-class users who upgrade once every few years and want long-lasting value. Instead of focusing only on raw specs, OPPO is focusing on real-world usability, smoother performance over time, better heat control, stronger durability, and smarter camera tools for creators. International pricing is expected to start around $520, while the Indian price could land between $500 and $560, depending on storage and RAM configurations. At this price point, OPPO is clearly targeting users who want premium features without crossing into ultra-flagship territory. Performance built for long-term stability. At the heart of the Reno15 Pro is the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chipset, paired with a new ColorOS 16. OPPO is making a bold claim here: up to 6 years of smooth performance. That's a huge deal for users who keep their phone for 3 to 4 years, don't want heating problems, expect stable performance over time, and hate lag after software updates. The phone is built to handle heavy multitasking, long video calls, streaming, editing videos, and daily productivity without slowdown. This focus on long-term stability makes the Reno15 Pro especially attractive for students, working professionals, and families who rely heavily on their phones throughout the day. Gaming and multitasking performance. For gamers and power users, the Reno15 Pro brings several advanced optimizations. Super frame rate support for smoother gameplay, Super HDR gaming for better visuals, system-level heat management during long gaming sessions, AI-powered memory optimization for running multiple apps, improved cooling for live streaming and video calls. But this phone isn't only for gamers. These features also help office workers switching between apps, students attending online classes, creators editing short videos, social media users who multitask constantly. The overall experience is designed to stay smooth even when you push the phone hard. A creator-focused 200MP camera system. This is where the Reno15 Pro truly separates itself from most mid-range phones. The camera setup includes 200MP main camera, 50MP ultra-wide camera, 50MP telephoto camera, 50MP autofocus front camera. This setup is designed to compete with flagship-level camera systems from brands like Samsung and Apple, but at nearly half the price. For photography lovers, this means extremely high-detail photos, strong zoom capability, better dynamic range, and cleaner low-light shots. For video creators, OPPO is focusing heavily on stabilization and live content tools. Camera features for vlogging and live streaming. The Reno15 Pro includes advanced creator-focused features such as dual-sided stabilization on both front and rear cameras, AI live stream highlight reel that automatically captures key moments, a 60-second instant replay feature for real-time content review, ultra-wide selfie stabilization for walking vloggers. This makes the phone perfect for YouTubers, TikTok and Instagram creators, product reviewers, daily vloggers, live streamers. You can shoot steady video while walking, record professional-looking reels, and even review moments instantly without needing extra gear. design, durability, and premium feel. The Reno 15 Pro doesn't just perform well, it looks and feels premium too. OPPO introduces a Starlight Bow 3D finish, combined with high-brightness ice-clear glass, a matte metal frame, and a premium in-hand feel. But what truly stands out is the IP69 water and dust resistance. This level of protection is extremely rare even in phones that cost over $1,000. This means the Reno 15 Pro can easily handle rain, dust, accidental spills, and even harsh usage conditions. It's built not just for beauty, but for real-life durability, battery life, fast charging, and cooling. The Reno 15 Pro is powered by a 5,270 mAh battery, which is more than enough for a full day of heavy usage. It supports 80W super flash charging, 50W wireless flash charging, a self-repairing battery electrolyte system for 5-year battery health, Livestream bypass charging to reduce heating while charging. For everyday users, this means fewer charging breaks, faster top-ups, less battery degradation over time, safer charging during video calls and gaming. This setup is especially valuable for office workers, travelers, students, and people who stay online for long hours. Global and India launch timeline. OPPO has not officially announced the exact India launch date yet, but industry insiders suggest that the Reno 15 Pro will arrive in India and other global markets later this month. Expected pricing. Global price, $520 to $580. India expected price, $500 to $560. This places the Reno 15 Pro directly in the premium mid-range category, where buyers want flagship features at a controlled budget. Final thoughts. Who should buy the Reno 15 Pro? The OPPO Reno 15 Pro represents what a modern creator-focused smartphone should be in the 2025 to 2026 era. It offers a powerful 200MP camera system, advanced video stabilization, long battery life, fast wired and wireless charging, a rugged IP69 rated body, and a strong Dimensity 8450 processor. This phone is ideal for students creating content, professionals working remotely, families who want long-term reliability, influencers and vloggers, anyone who wants premium features under $600. The OPPO Reno 15 Pro gives you the power to create, stream, multitask, and stay connected, all without crossing into ultra-premium pricing. It's not just a phone. It's a complete creative and productivity tool built for everyday life.